Good morning, the chairman, Human Rights Defender and Access to Justice Advocacy Center, our Lego department, co-comrades and Lego viewers. Here I'm Queen Mrs. Solution, live from the KJ Allen Avenue branch. We have case of unlawful child adoption reported by one Ms. Suleiman Rafiat against Mr. Muri Adeoye. The both parties are live in our office, including the interpreter. Kindly join us as we interview them for better and peaceful resolution. Kindly visit our website on www.hldac.org.ng and visit our web and subscribe to our YouTube channel on Access to Justice TV and follow us on our Facebook page on Human Rights Defender and Access to Justice Advocacy Center. Thank you for being with us. Who is Rafiat? Speak up. Are you Rafiat?
Yes.
Tell us what happened. You say wait.
I can't speak English.
Na English where you speak, so you can speak English. Speak wetin you speak. I can't speak English, no be Yoruba language. Na English be that. Speak broken, make we hear you out. Wetin happen? Tell us for broken. Nobody say make you speak big English. Wetin happen?
She followed my child. I want to collect my child.
Speak out, speak louder.
To collect my child.
You collect your child.
Yes.
Which time you collect your child?
Last month.
Last month.
Yes.
Wetin happen? Why you carry collect the child?
She said she don't want to marry me again.
Madam, talk loud, make I hear you.
She
You
said
say
she
wetin?
don't want to marry me again.
You don't want to marry you again.
Yes, ma'am.
And you now collect the child.
Yes, ma'am.
Na married before?
No.
Na no married before? Na friend na do? Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Wetin be the problem? How you carry say na you no marry again? Na no marry again. I go close the case and ask all of you to comot from here. No waste my time. I get many things to do. Wetin happen when you say make you no wan marry you again, when collect your child? Wetin happen? Go out. Go out. Take the chair out. Talk now before I ask you to go out and close the case. Wetin happen? Why the man collect your pikin?
She said I'm dating another guy.
You say you are dating another guy.
Yes, ma'am.
He catch you with another man.
No.
So how you can't say you are dating another man?
She just said I'm dating
Wetin exactly happen? Tell us everything wey happen. Just tell us, take your time. Tell us wetin happen. Which time you know the man? How many times na don friend before you come born? Wetin come happen before the man come say he no dey marry you again? He come say you dey date another person. Wetin exactly happen? Just tell us. Oga, sit comfortable. Relax. Thank you. Okay, tell us wetin happen.
get pregnant, another pregnant after the child she collect. Then take me to hospital. She admitted that one like 3 times. And she used to beat me every day. That's why I told me that I'm not doing it again. So she collect the child.
You are not talking. You are not saying the truth now. You just say after 1 second pregnant, you used to beat me every time, and he say he dey date another man. You go tell us wetin happen from the beginning to the end. Wetin happen? How you carry know this man? Wetin come happen when you come say you don date another man? Wetin come happen when you come get another belle? Tell us the story na wetin we wan hear.
Mommy, I can't speak English.
Na English wey you dey speak like this, that dey talk the one wey you dey talk, we dey hear am. Me, I no dey hear Yoruba. So this one wey you dey talk na English be that. Dey tell us the same way wey you dey talk. That broken na better English very well. Just dey tell us like that, okay?
And they work for another bakery before.
Yes.
So that bakery me and meet. So she told me she wants to marry me.
I say make you speak loud so that other people will see you, will hear what you dey talk.
And she told me she wants to marry me.
Okay.
So I said yes to him.
Okay.
So after that, I came pregnant.
Okay.
Then we are living together.
Eh?
We are living together. So then I got the girl.
Okay, as I wan at ten d to another case now where you no wan talk, I go send all of you go. Anytime you remember, you dey ready to talk. No, please, excuse me, don't interrupt me. Allow her to talk. Please. Excuse me, Oga. I said don't interrupt her.
Yes,
when they have time for you, they will ask you to talk. Don't interrupt her again. Any year, any month where you ready to tell us wetin happen, you go come back that time. Because I see say you never dey ready for your case. So I can ask you people to go now. Are you ready to talk? Then talk wetin happen.
Yes, my see. Sorry, ma. Yeah? Sorry. Sorry.
Wetin happen?
Sorry now.
I say talk wetin you dey talk. I dey understand the pidgin wey you dey talk. I no dey hear Yoruba. You tell me wetin you dey talk. I dey hear you. You say you dey work for the brother of a place before.
Yes.
For bakery.
Yes.
And the man come meet you. Wetin now happen?
That time I get pregnant.
As you can't get pregnant, wetin come happen? How many years na friend na said before you get belle?
3 months.
3 months. You can't get pregnant. So wetin come happen now? After you can't get pregnant, wetin happen?
Hey, God. Answer.
After you can't get belle, wetin happen, woman? Eh?
We are living together.
Wetin come happen?
Now we are fighting because of she's telling me that I'm dating another man.
This one wey you dey talk no be English you dey speak. Na my language you dey speak. I'm dating another man na broken self. No be better English be that one. Try the one you dey try. Nobody dey hurry you. You hear me? You calm down. Tell me everything wey go happen so that I will know how to help you. You dey hear me? People wey dey watch you no be everybody dey hear Yoruba. That is why I say you go speak normal broken. Everything wey happen o. I meet the Mr. Muri time. That time I dey work with him brother. After he come meet me, say he wan friend me or he wan marry me. Now I come agree to marry am. As we come dey date, I come get belle. As he carry me go in her family, na wetin happen be this. If time he come beat me, time he talk like this. After I don born, na wetin happen. Na wetin we wan hear from you. No be broken at the talk. Shey you dey hear wetin I dey talk? Tell me like that. Na wetin I wan hear. Yeah. Dey hold your mouth. Okay. Wetin happen? Since you don't want to talk, no need again. What happened?
I was dating this girl.
Speak up.
With my
Relax.
yeah, with my uncle. Yeah, but me and him, we are going on, but it be like 4 months. He told me that he get pregnant. I tell him say not a problem. But I told him say
I tell her, no say I told you. They speak English, speak broken. I tell her say
I will collect the pregnant. But he go to the for the village. Go tell mama say somebody give her belle. Me sef and my uncle we go there, go and do verification say na me give
Get the
the
belly.
daughter the belle o. Okay, for dem village. He use like 4 months there say I want to rent house. I rent the house
For her village.
for this Lagos.
Okay.
For Opelu side.
Okay.
I rent the house. He born the pikin. After that, he born the pikin. We do party for there. But we are going like that pikin reach like 7 months. That pikin no waka.
Okay.
No waka, but we run about see what the thing wey do this pikin wey no waka. Madam, she survive life for this girl. The thing wey I dey find for my life, man no gain am.
No, they no dey swear for this office.
I go swear o.
No, here
for this,
wait, hold on. We get law here. For this office, you no go swear.
Okay.
When you reach out, you fit swear, but for here, you no dey swear.
I told him say if you say na court, I ready to go. I no be smelly person. I dey work. My work is bread. No, somebody gave me the bread. It's my uncle. He gave me the company. This girl, me and my landlord, they fuck themselves inside my bed.
You catch them.
Na im sister dey live our house before. Come tell me that girl in age like 12 years. He told me that Baba landlord is getting to my house, be fucking my house, be fucking my wife inside my bed.
You know they live there.
Me, I'm doing night. It's night work I'm doing.
Okay, when you dey bake your bread.
I dey bake my bread. See, that day, in going, that man wey he get my house, I follow her fight.
The landlord.
The landlord, the man, he told me that himself told me that man toast him.
Okay.
You understand me?
And your wife
Tell me,
say your landlord toast her.
toast him. But that landlord wife come call my brother. That I say the post am. They post that thing. They post am. That man wife.
Post am to where?
Facebook. That man wife. Then come tell me say na true o.
Say the
landlord dey fuck my wife. See, she ever say I dey lie. Woman.
No, sit down. Say no dey swear here.
See. Woman. I fit use boya we go take taxing for outside. Ma pay the taxing money. Mo go there.
Go where?
Go that the house where I dey live before.
Sit down, relax. When you dey talk. Yeah.
Now, im mama come take him go Eko. This woman, im mama take him go Eko.
This your wife?
Yes. No be my wife again o.
Okay.
No be my wife again o. This woman, im mama take him go Eko. Say they fit go put something for my domot say make comot there. Me as responsible person,
say who go put something for your domot?
that landlord fit put something for my life. So me I fight para for that place.
Okay.
But me sef, that landlord no give me say make I comot for that house.
No give you quick notice.
No give me, but I dey pay me for all that street say this girl wey I trust dey do that something like that. I comot there. Me sef I sleep for bakery for 12 months.
You no dey go house.
I no dey go house because of that thing dey pay me. Madam,
Okay, after you hear
I hear that thing.
now you come dey go house again
No go house again.
for 1 year.
Yes, my load dey there for 1 month. See, brother, they beg me say make I collect am back. I collect am back.
You collect the woman back.
I collect am back with my children. But it only 1 day for me. I struggle. Go rent. I think say face me and face you na problem. I struggle go rent a room self-contained again. I rent am for
They do wetin they do.
for that Olaogun side, for along the Ijoko side. I rent a room self-contained. I struggle. I rent that house 150. Me and him dey live as human being. Dey live like human being. I go see that time I buy new generator. I replace that house say make I no dey look
Outside.
again. The food money wey I dey put for down, I dey put 1,000 naira a day. Madam, 1,000 a day. Night own no dey there o. Till I dey come for work for night again, I go call and say hello, wetin you go need make you tell me. She go tell me say make I do indomie come. My pikin sef go buy 5 alive like something like 1.5 come house again. Food stuff for inside house sef like 5,000 naira go buy am inside store. You hear me? My wife come see another person for the place wey I just collect again. You see, till I lie to you, the boy no number dey there for my phone.
You catch them.
I catch them.
How you carry catch them?
Madam, sorry. Thank you. Now the person wey dey for on street, dey tell me say they no know the person wey e be Baba Rodia. You know say my whole job na night. Na night. Me I no get any friend for
that place.
na my work be my friend. They tell me.
Who can't tell you?
The person wey like me, they no wan let my die.
Where your nose mask?
No bring am o.
You go tire now, you go give them money, make them give you, because as you dey shout now, I no go want again.
How much?
Give them 200 naira, make them go buy you nose mask. And you must talk small, you must reduce your voice, make we hear you.
That thing dey pay me now.
No, not be today that will happen.
If you say na you call
Oga, hold on. Anyhow you vex reach, you must follow our law here.
Okay.
You must not talk and shout.
Okay.
That's what I'm telling you.
So somebody come tell me for that road, that street, go say my wife think na my wife or na my sister. I can't tell the person wey tell am say na my wife. Come tell me say that boy wey that baba landlord wey get that house wey I just collect. Come tell me say my wife dey carry boys come my house. Dey fuck am
for this new house again.
For that new house again. If that thing she tell you say I dey lie, see, I go call the baba landlord number.
Don't worry, we will call all of them here.
See,
Then go come here.
see, I fit use my money take transport. Doesn't mean na also person. Also, if he see myself, no be me say address o. If he see me for my workplace, I dey carry upon for head. Because when they know the hungry.
No.
Can't 1,000 naira for 1 month. That is 31,000 naira. That 1,000 naira no dey miss.
And for money.
Na for money.
And the night you go bring another thing.
I go bring another thing.
Okay.
Let me tell you something.
So which time you come catch am now with this person wey you say dem tell you say this your wife dey sleep come, you go catch them together be what as they come tell you now say your wife dey bring man come house, na im trouble come start. You catch them.
I catch them.
How you catch them? Tell us here.
One day I come house for night. I no tell am say I dey come house.
Okay.
I see that boy inside my house.
See the boy inside your house?
I see that boy inside my house.
Like what time?
Like to 8. Come tell me say he wan help me do TV. I come tell guy say my TV no spoil na. Come tell me say na the into him wey I just buy the DVD. He wan help me do, but I no fight, madam. I put that thing for my mind. The following day, the phone wey dey in hand, I bought that phone 35,000 naira. I give am. If he say I dey lie with him, I go bring the receipt.
You go buy normal one. This one no dey good. Buy normal one.
No, hold on.
So I can hear you very well.
See, see, madam, I come, that landlord come call me like 5 times.
The one where you dey live now?
No house again. If you say I dey lie, me and you go that place.
No, I say landlord go come here. Shey na landlord when you go invite landlord come. No say the matter we dey like to settle matter and we go know the truth, come know wetin we go.
See, one person dey for our area safe. That person na my brother. Come tell me say, this life, man no dey come late for work again. Man dey come time to time. Man come dey look am.
Another person
come tell me again. I come dey come time to time. Afternoon I go come. In the evening I go come. That boy wey he dey follow my wife get phone together. I go come. I call him number. I see him no number
for your wife phone.
Call and say I want to see her. Come tell me say, I go wait for am for bus stop. I see that guy. The guy tell me say na my wife told am by himself. Say responsible person go put earring for mouth, do afro for head. You know say something behind behind that thing.
Sit down.
Madam, if you say na court, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to pay the money. If you say na him win, I will thank God. I say, I try to say you comot in life for my life. You know, say that I say I no get peace for us. That time one day that AB that im boyfriend call her for phone say hello the food wey me I dey buy for inside store he go cook am go give that guy.
Sit well. That's what I'm saying. You can sit and be talking. Just like that.
He go cook the food go give the guy
From your house.
for my house.
How you come know?
I know that one day.
How you know? Tell me.
I told him. I tell him say no go any place. So I'm going. I dey come house, come rest o. My wife tell me say you must to go. You must to go that place. I say where? Go. I reach out like this. He cook food. Come put one food for cooler. I wash him. He go that guy house. He come back. I can't tell am say which place you go? I call him number sef switch off.
And you dey house?
I dey house.
Okay.
That's why I dey house. Him friend wey he dey for our street, I go there say wait say you no help me see my wife. They say no. I go that one Baba dey. They was calling the man na God.
Then they got the man God there.
Na God. I go there.
Yeah.
That name is nickname. I go there.
Now here they watch you. I know they watch you. So they look him. Now here when me at the see your face.
I go there. Say na God. Say my wife no dey for your place. He say no. He no dey for your place. I got one woman say wey he like iya something for the back of that house. I go there say my wife no dey for your place. She no dey that place. See, madam, that street I no fit pass comot. I wan park for that place again.
Because of her.
My house money I just pay 50,000 naira 6 months. 6 months again. And I dey use 4 months now. I want to park again because the I they pay me for that place again.
The shame.
I dey shame. Madam, one day I put my wife, I buy one phone for him, Tecno Pop 2. Go and ask the how much they are selling the phone. I bought it 35,000 naira.
Again.
I use that phone like 2 months. I gave him. Him own wey he dey use before. He sell am for him oga wey dey work. He sell am for him oga boya 8,000 naira or 9,000 naira sha. I collect the money. Go give the person wey dey sell phone. Madam, thank you. See, me, see, if you say I dey cheat am or beat am, or I no dey put responsibility me for inside house. All my brother get money, you hear me? I no be smelly person. 1,000 naira a day, e no easy. See, e no miss. Sometimes if I no get the 1,000 naira for hand, I go put 800 naira because of food dey inside.
Okay, wetin come make you collect the pikin now?
Yeah.
Tell us the truth, because na that one carry the matter come. Wetin make you collect the pikin?
The thing wey I collect the pikin for ọdún Iléyá. I told my wife say no go work. Say I want to go and help my brother sell market for work, but I'm coming. Say I go back. My wife tell me say he must go work
for the bread place.
No, for him I go put am for makeup.
Okay, they learn makeup.
The money wey I pay for the other place, the that way dey there say he want to collect 20,000. I beg him oga say make me collect 15,000 naira for my hand. That 15,000 naira I give him oga 7,500. I give him 7,500. Say make go give him oga.
Say balance.
No,
the advance.
It's advance. Say
okay.
He go. She know say she don't know that work. Say I go pay the 7,500
for the balance.
For the balance. My wife go work. Me and your oga agreement say Sunday my wife no go come.
Yes.
They go. You know that work small. She come tell me say the oga dey request for that 7,500 wey dey down. Come tell my wife say see this time market no dey. Say I go meet in oga, go tell am say so dey o, I go bring the money.
So wetin come happen for that Ileya? Go straight to the point. We have other case outside. Just
okay.
Yeah.
My wife come go that shop
on the Ileya day.
For the Ileya day, I go call my wife say hello, which place e dey? He say e dey shop. That impress me, madam.
Because he suppose dey house cook for Ileya.
I come go the shop. Swear for him
oga.
I swear for your oga. Say na him dey teach my wife this kind of thing. Bad thing. Him wife sef.
Cover your mouth.
No vex oga. Him oga sef he dey do oska. The mechanic wey e dey behind him oga dey fuck him oga. Madam.
But the madam marry.
He marry, but him wife, him husband, na he dey do travel work, no get time. The mechanic wey dey beside the oga dey fuck him oga.
How you know? How you come know?
The thing wey I know.
How you come know? You know say wetin you no know.
I wan know, madam.
Dem go still arrest you, send you to prison.
No.
How you know?
See, the thing wey I know say if you reach Agege, go Ijoko, tell them say you dey ask for Olanukan or Eslead.
Na him be your name.
They know my brother. Na the name wey my brother dey same, na him himself dey bear.
Na him be the mechanic.
Yeah, no. The name.
How you come know say mechanic dey sleep in your house?
The thing wey I know say I know the person wey the person wey dey for the behind the shop dey give me all that thing. That person no fit lie. Me and the person go school. Yeah, madam.
The person wey tell you say mechanic dey sleep in your car.
See, me and the person go school say if he say me and him no ourselves between
okay, no problem. Keep that one, but anytime make I tell you one thing so that as you dey look for prison and court, make you no use your mouth carry yourself go put for prison.
Go there.
Hold on. Listen to me. Anything where you no see, I know say you get problem. You go wait, make I tell you wetin I want tell you first. This matter dey different. But wetin your eye no see, no carry your mouth talk.
I know, but I no fit talk am for.
You no go say
for court.
But here na here be like court. You no fit talk wetin no correct, because if you talk wetin the woman come now come say come talk who you say dey sleep with me. If you no tell the woman say I catch you like this, you be like this. Now from here police go catch you. Now you on your own go come talk how you carry catch the woman. So leave the woman matter. Talk how you carry catch your wife. Now I won't talk. Now I want know when you say they say. If person come meet you, say landlord dey sleep your wife for where you dey work. You dey work for bakery. As you dey work for bakery, they come back. You dey sleep with your wife. Yes or no? Now wetin I wan hear.
Sometimes.
Like how many times?
Like no the night wey I dey do sef.
How many nights you dey before you dey come back?
Like in Boya a week, like 1 time.
You go come house.
House.
So okay, for 1 week you go come house.
For 1 week I go come.
Now that time you go sleep with her.
Yes.
Okay. When they come, they tell you so for 1 month. Hold on now. Take her easy. Now don't allow you. Don't talk again. For 1 month now, you dey come house 4 times.
No, you come house like 5 times.
You dey come house like 5 times. 4 and 5 na the same thing. And the time where you dey come back, na that time you dey sleep with your wife. Anytime you come back, you dey sleep with her. Okay. When they come tell you say your landlord dey sleep with your wife, where that small girl come tell you say your landlord dey sleep with your wife, why you no come wait? Because they know you don't know, say they don't tell you say your landlord don't dey sleep with your wife in the night. Why you know for 1 day they target say 1 day you go come in the night, come catch am, or you go hold on. Or you go tell somebody for your place, come tell the girl say okay, take this phone, hide am. Anytime landlord enter my room, call me. Or you now where they go do your bread, if you go for night, you know say landlord don't dey sleep with your wife. Why you no try 1 day where you go hide, come catch them, say you meet that your landlord on top of your wife for your room in the night? Why you no try am like that? You try am like that? Do you wait? You try am like that? Okay, hold on. That one you fail. That is number 1. You do say you and landlord come fight. You can't dey shame. You can't come out from that house. Can't go rent another house. Then you another person again can't tell you, see that your wife, he don't dey sleep with another boy. One boy they come your house. Why you no plan am? Say as you another man don't they enter my house. Why you no even wait for midnight where you know say the man go there, they go sleep, because they know say your wife know say you know they come back from work. Make you wait where until you come see say today you come, you know say person no sleep there, you go back to your work. Another maybe like another 2-3 days again, you come in the night again, come check who go come sleep with your wife again, make you catch them. Why you no try am by yourself? Come leave that your bread where you dey do in the night, come try make you catch this girl, say this person where they say they friend my wife, I call catch both of them for bed for night, or you leave early in the morning, call house, come see say the man dey comot from your house early in the morning. Why you no try that one? You try am.
I try am.
When you try am, and how you carry catch them?
The way I carry them, I bought a new phone for my wife. I can't put my memory card. You get the thing.
Which memory card?
My new memory card wey I buy.
I
put for him phone. No. I can't put the memory card. I put am for recording. The time wey I can't put the memory card for the recording. Wey I go work. That way I come back. I can't play the memory card. I play the memory card sef. I just give my mother the time wey my mother come say he need memory card. Like 8 gig. I give my mother say I get 2 memory.
Wetin come happen as you come put the memory card? Wetin happen?
That guy call my wife. He call am say wey him meet for hotel. Hotel say na the husband say that him husband no fine, something like that. He's talking that.
You still get the memory card there with you?
It dey for my mama hand.
Your mama dey here?
No, they live like Cotonou side.
Cotonou?
Cotonou. He's living there.
Okay.
Once he say, oh God, I come wake up around to 2 in the midnight.
Because they think.
Come play that thing. Say, I know say that guy go call am. Until see, I come dey play the memory card. See, come say him. Come say he must go. Say he go. Say who's time? Make come meet am for that place. That boy say if you don reach like 7:30, him go reach there. So say me, I enter house like 10, 9 o'clock.
When you come here say they won't go there 7 o'clock, wetin happen? You go there?
That day, I go there.
You go the hotel?
I go there.
Wetin come happen?
But that time wey I go that hotel. That guy, he see me. He never come. That guy is see me for the Meme Road. That belong that place.
You see the man? You see him?
I see that boy. Now boy.
You see the boy for the hotel?
No.
How you know say he see you?
Me, I pass that place. I pass that Meme Road. That time wey me I pass that Meme. That guy himself dey come.
You see him? You see the boy?
I see the boy.
I asked you whether you see the boy. You say you no see him.
No, I see that boy.
Okay.
I see that boy. That time wey I see that boy. Me come call my wife say for phone. Say where you dey? Tell me say he won't go out.
So wetin come happen that time?
That time wey He tell me say he wan go out. Me, my work don. Hello.
Go ahead.
That day.
Your work no
They
let you wait again. You can't go back to work.
No, they call me for phone say my work, my people wey dey help me work say
one don run.
he never come. Say no, say he work don rise, go spoil. Me come take okada for that bus stop. Say make carry me go bakery. Na the thing wey I know about that.
You hear wetin he talk, abi? How many? Why you dey sleep with your landlord? It's a lie. Wetin happen? How is it a lie? Tell us wetin happen.
The man told me he want to marry me. That landlord. I call her. I tell him that the man told me he want to marry me. He said no wahala. So one day that landlord call me on phone. Say man come meet am for there. So I call my husband. I tell him. He said I should carry my pikin come meet me for bakery.
Make you go meet am.
Yes, for the bakery. So I go meet am. Me and that landlord no do anything. It's a lie.
Okay, the landlord told you say he wan marry you.
Yes.
And the landlord know say you dey for this man house.
Yes.
And at the same house una dey live.
Yes.
With that landlord. Yes. The landlord come tell you say he wan marry you again.
Yes.
He wan make you comot from the man house.
No.
Okay, he wan friend you.
He wan friend you.
Okay. Then he come talk, tell you say make you meet am for hotel. Then you come tell your husband.
Yes.
Say see oga landlord dey wan friend me o. Wan friend you, and he say make you come meet am for hotel. Then your husband come say make you bring pikin come meet am for bakery.
Yes.
Make you bring the pikin so that you go meet landlord.
No.
Make two of una come there.
Yes.
So wetin come happen that day?
Bakery.
Okay.
I don't go back to house. I wait for her. After she finish her work, we are going back to house together.
Every day. Now every day you dey go bakery?
No, that day.
Only that day?
Yes.
Then apart from that day again, which time, how your husband come know say landlord dey friend you?
It's a lie.
It's a lie.
Which small pikin dey na house wey tell your husband say your sister?
Like 7 years.
Okay. 7 years. How the girl come tell your how many times the landlord don enter your house?
You no even enter our house.
Then how the small pikin come know say landlord enter your house?
The landlord no enter our house. My sister, if the pikin gone, she no tell her anything.
The pikin no tell her anything. So na lie e dey lie.
I lie.
So he with landlord fight?
Yes.
Dem fight?
Yes.
Wetin make dem fight?
She go meet the landlord, say why she go toast him. Say she know that me and him dey together. But after that, I carry my pikin go meet my mom. She told me I should go and stay with my mommy for like 6 months. If she rent another house, I should come back. And then I live for Obalende like 6 months. Later she call me, she already rent another house. Then I carry my pikin come back.
Come meet her again?
Yes.
Okay, wait, which boy again you come the friend for the new house again?
I no friend anybody.
He say he meet one boy for your house in the night.
It's a lie. It's a lie. I no friend anybody.
You no meet any boy in your room?
No.
For 7 o'clock?
No.
See, madam.
Yes.
If you say that, you not also say I'm lying. The person we get among yours. Me and him born.
Which person?
The person wey he get the new house wey I rent.
The landlord.
The landlord. I go beg the landlord.
Now the landlord tell you.
Say
you hold the landlord number.
No, wait.
You no get your landlord phone number?
May give me
Well, if
phone.
you get another, they go bring her. You get the landlord number.
No, my
The former phone.
phone wey I dey use before.
You don't give out. You don't dash am.
No, my SIM don full, but I come store the number for inside phone. But that time me I just give person that phone.
Shey that your landlord,
Mm.
you trust say if he say make he come here, he go come.
If I go beg am say make e come, go beg am. No say me I no dey live as na him dey see say say dem boys dey come my inside room.
For afternoon abi for night?
For night sef.
Okay, then they come to come watch film.
No light.
And they sleep there.
No.
If they stay finish.
They go dey inside the say I dey lie. My brother wey get that landlord number, my brother gangan himself, that landlord build 2 house, but that house no far for dem place. I go call my that brother now. May call the landlord number for me.
Okay, you go call somebody. That one get the landlord number.
He go get.
Okay, you are not sure.
He go get.
But if you meet the landlord, you sure say landlord go follow you come?
I sure.
Come tell us say this girl dey carry men dey enter your house.
I sure. If I beg the landlord, man beg am. Say he no dey carry. One day sef I saw one game for my house. I ask my wife say who get this game? He talk say na that AB get that game. Dey play am till to 10 in midnight.
Wetin you dey do be AB? Wetin you dey do with AB? That boy. Wetin carry AB game enter your house?
That boy, no be only that boy dey come to our house. The place I dey work, I'm hairdresser. The woman wey get the shop, na im brother, na im be the boy. So all of them na with our friends. We like maybe 5 na im bring the game that day come to our house with my sister hairdresser. So after that, she told me she don't want to see the game again. Then I called the AB say come carry your this thing. Daddy already has to go talk, and she come back, she carry am, dem go. After that, they don't come back again.
But you tell your husband say AB dey come your house?
She know na before she Baba Robi and that boy, they are friends. They used to talk. We buy new GoTV. She call the boy say make she come to our house, come set the GoTV for him.
You wan see the AB? Who get AB number?
I no get it.
Which time, like which last time you don see AB?
I no see am. I no dey see am.
You no dey see am again? So which time you come comot from your husband house?
Last month.
Last month? Abi last year?
No, last month.
Last month?
Yes.
Okay, that time you comot, wetin happen exactly that day when you come comot?
She told me I should not go to work on that Saturday. Then I told me I no fit stay house. You to stay house with me. Nobody at home. She said she will go out. She want to go and meet her friend. Me, I go to my shop, go do hair for my madam. So she come back, she come meet me for shop. Say I should go back. I said okay, I'll come meet you for house if I do the hair finishing. So she call my sister say make my sister come and say I should not come back home, or else she will beat me, or else so that
Now from saloon you can't go your house.
yes.
From that time till saloon. You no can't go back again.
No.
Your sister no come beg am.
And my mommy go and my uncle, they call am, they beg am. Even my mommy come and my brother, they come, they beg am, say no.
Yeah. Fast.
Wait till you're You know, so the day where you can't register this case, you see me for here.
Your name na Rafiat.
Your name is Narafia. Today, when you come here, you come with interpreter. Thank God for the Spirit of God waiting for my madam. She sent out your interpreter. The way when you start to the talk, now the way when you talk now. You talk say you know the English. She squeeze you for over 10 minutes before you feel too mad. Talk small. The way when you talk that time, and the way when you talk now, that is by the way. Make I warn you. This place no be place where you go come lie. Anything where them cook give you for outside. When you reach here, if my madam no say I'm Holy Spirit go be that to her. So if you no say na lie, you dey lie about all these allegations where this man put for your head. Make you talk truth now. If you waste our time, you make spend money, you make us spend money, spend time. That pikin where you dey find, you no go see am. The marriage, you no go see am. Because if you no dey capable to take care of pikin, no government, no law court, no human being will give you that pikin to take care of, even if na minor, even if you need the mama. And the advice I won't give you that.
So you say landlord no dey sleep with you. So but the other landlord now you don't confirm say AB dey come your house. Before I ask you say AB nobody dey come your house. Now you can't agree say AB dey come your house.
No be say I dey date that guy.
Your husband sit down, Mr. Man. Adeoye, sit down. You go organize, arrange yourself. This one way they do, no they like I understand whether na lie they lie, whether na true they talk. Arrange yourself. No be that one go make me believe you, and no be that one. You self you get your own fault, but they come tell you. See, that house when AB they come. Now your husband say, man they come there. You say nobody they come there. You can't agree now say AB they come there. Number one. Number two, your husband say he put memory card for your phone when he give you. They no be the AB call you go. Now the AB call and go hotel.
AB.
AB
told me
call you. Hold on.
He told me that day I played the memory card. Woman. So I thought say I dey lie. Woman.
You play the memory card.
He dey beg me. Inside house. He dey beg me. Say na me cause am. Make her please. Make her please. I told you say wetin I do. I say
hold on.
It's my responsibility inside house 1,000 naira a day.
Hold on. 1,000 they sleep with woman, and you be your problem. Make I tell you your problem. You get your own problem now. They tell you. Even if you marry 10 wives, if you marry 10 wives, you see this thing where they do now. You can't still do am. That woman self go still sleep with another man. I go talk to you like my brother. I no go bend down. You hear me? So wait first. He said he put memory card for your phone. I know say man fit do something, wey go make girl or woman dey behave like this. You understand me? Man wey put you for house suppose know say you no be wood. Man wey go work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, come back one time or 5 times in a month.
No.
Wait, now wetin you tell me?
No, no. No be say they come back in a month or
in a week now.
In a week or
calm down so that you go understand me. Listen
if
to
my
me.
brother no get baker,
Muri.
we go empty bake. na me go dey bake the work.
You go bake and say tey another man go dey bake your wife for house.
Days. No, only 1 day so.
Which one be only 1 day?
No be say I just dey go like 1 week.
How many times you dey go work? You say you dey go work every week.
No.
And you dey come house 5 times in the month.
Me,
I'm
doing my afternoon. My brother is doing night.
Then you say you dey do night.
No.
Sometimes you dey do afternoon.
Sometimes I dey do that work is shifting.
Yes. Sometimes you dey do night.
Na me get the night afternoon work gangan. Na my brother get the night. But if he in baker, my brother baker no come sometime. Me I go help my brother bake the work. Sometimes. I ask you how many times you dey go house? Say
that 1 week.
For 1 week. If I don't finish my work for afternoon,
you go house.
Go house small.
Go house small.
No.
Wait, now make I talk to you. You don't talk too much. Abeg. No be talk, na im matter. How many times this man dey come house in a week? Every day. So now you even dey cause confusion for yourself. You dey come house every day, every evening, every morning. They comot in the morning, come back in the evening. So you know they sleep for outside. If the day when they do night, how?
You know they do night until maybe she want to last year she don't come house for 1 month. That time they do sallah. They sell bread for night. She don't come house for 1 month. But after that, every day she will come house.
Every day for 1 month, you no come back.
Yes.
How na they see each other? You dey go there?
No.
You go there like that?
Like afternoon, she go run come house, give me money for food, go back.
Muri, make I talk to you, yeah? You know say this life, you get wetin money go give you. You get wetin money no go fit give you. You understand me? Not be everything money go give you. If you put woman for house, they give her 10,000 every day. Money they pregnant woman. If you carry money pregnant woman, yes or no? Money they give woman belle. I'm asking you now. No, you have to answer me yes or no. Don't tell me you are hearing me. Money they give woman belle. If money no go give woman belle, this office will stand for peace and truth. Anyhow you jump and vibrate reach, we go tell you the truth and we must stand by the truth. You dey give woman 1,000 every day, 1,000 every day, 1,000 every day. You just dey shout, you dey give woman 1,000 every day. My brother, wetin you fit give this woman, that 1,000 no go give her. This your woman now, I never say they sleep around though, but if e dey sleep around, no be that money where you dey give and go make her no dey sleep around. If he need you, you dey bake bread, they sell bread because you won't give her 1,000. E better make you no give her 1,000 today, but make you give her wetin she need as man and woman need am. You can't put plasma for house, can't put generator for house. Woman wey watch a television from morning till night, that time when you stay, when you no come back for 1 month, you dey watch television, you come drop money, another day watch television, watch movie. Maybe they watch movie now where you don't buy television and what is it called? Generator. If they watch, you can't see one man, they touch one woman, they touch one woman for body for that television. In body go feel say you want do the same thing where they do for television. But you know they. Maybe the person where they around now, if the person play rough play, or they can't talk one year talk now, another devil will come enter. Now that time they will come carry sleep with your wife.
You get wetin I dey tell you, my brother? So many things, even if you go marry virgin, make your mama go village go carry virgin come give you when man never sleep with am before. If you dey do the virgin like that, except you never touch am, if you dey do say you go work, you come drop 1,000, you come back, you go do bakery, you go again, person no come work, na you go work there, you come back, your brother baker bread don dey swell up, you rush go, you no get time to sleep with your woman. That time when im body need man to sleep with am, if you no dey there, anything fit happen. Devil fit touch am, anybody fit go sleep with am. Na like that e be with man. When a man need woman, woman no dey there to give her body to the man. Every day na work, every day na this thing, every day na that. When the man need woman, im body don dey do mene to sleep with woman, and the woman no dey there to give her husband. 5 o'clock you don run comot from house, 10 o'clock you don come back say you tire, in the afternoon you no dey. When the man body dey do am to sleep with woman, as you wey be wife, wey be girlfriend, no dey there, as your wife no dey there to allow the man touch am, any girl wey dey, na wetin make some man dey touch house girl. Even though some men dey yeye, where even when their wife dey give them, they go dey sleep with house girl. But wetin dey make man dey chook eye for where we girl, where small girl, big girl, matured man, and all this thing, na when the man need woman, him wife no dey to give am. Today he say no touch me o, Okware yesterday no touch me o, I no touch me o, we dey fasting o. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, one e no dey reach 1 week, 2 weeks, dey go 1 month, and the man no touch the woman. The man body dey do am mene, e go comot go dey touch another woman. So for marriage, no be money be the problem. You fit no get money give woman. You never see say some women no, their husband no get money, but they will never sleep with another man, because maybe the way where you dey touch am, e dey satisfy am. You no go even need money from anybody. E go like the way where you dey sleep with am. You no go touch another, you no go see another man. But some women, when you suppose touch them, you no touch them. When they need you, they no see you. You go give money, then fit carry the money, your money, go give another man, make the man touch am. Na the touching na im be the first. Even if you say, my wife take 500 naira, manage am here. If I come, even if na 1 month, I fit count 30,000 will give you, make you the manager, and they eat, they go, and you dey touch am. Man no go come dey touch am, because she still dey young. Woman go stay, you go stay like that, whether your husband touch you, no touch you. Get time where your body go dey do you, make your husband touch you. That time where your body dey do you like that, if your husband no dey to touch you, and you no know God, na there where devil come enter family, where go come destroy family. You dey hear me? Another thing wey go scatter your family, even if you go marry, wey go still scatter your family again. You see, any person wey come meet you say, your wife do like this, oh, I see your wife with man, no, I see your husband with man, no. If that person like you, make I tell you where the person will do. If your friend like you, he come see your wife with another man, no be say they stand dey gist o, or they sit down dey talk dey laugh o, you come say because of that you say the man don dey sleep with your wife.
No.
Hold on, wait now.
I carry them.
Hold on, you no catch them. Wait, make I talk to you. If na that one, number one, if you come see the man, come see that your wife with man, come tell you say he dey sleep with man, no be na like that they carry sleep with man. You hear me? If a person if the person like you, when he see your wife with that man, you go that place, you go tell your wife, who be this person? For this hotel where I meet you, wetin you can't do? Make that your friend, hold that your wife there. They beat her for that hotel there. Say he meet her with man, come out from hotel room, or you see them they kiss. May go see and say, I catch you. Person where want peace for family, no be to come they say, hey, I catch your wife, oh, I see your husband, oh, your husband with man they talk, oh, one woman enter your husband room, oh, one woman enter man house, oh. Anybody, if you tell me, say you see woman for my house with my husband, if I dey drive, if I no get accident that day, now God go help. because you go want to comot everything wey dey in front of you make you reach there catch the woman, whether na the woman you wan fight o abi na your husband you wan fight o, that mind, even you fit get hypertension because of that kind thing. But if person come tell you, you come dey calm, e dey pay for mind, but you come dey target them, go catch them for bed, no be even for room. You meet person for room, no mean say person dey sleep with your man or woman. You go wait until you catch them for bed, then you will not know say person dey sleep with your wife. All this one na amebo. But if you come think say this person don dey sleep with man here and there, that pikin sef maybe no be you get am, you go bring the pikin, we go do DNA test for you and the pikin. We go know whether the pikin na your own or not.
Yes.
You dey hear me? Because if you no trust say the woman dey stay one place, landlord don sleep with her, AB don sleep with her, another person don give am address go hotel, and all this one now, maybe that pikin wey you dey carry sef no be your own. So you go bring the pikin, we go carry you and the pikin go do DNA test, make the result come and make we come know whether na you get the pikin, no be you. But that one now, apart from that one, shey na after that AB, that one wey you tell am say make e no go saloon, e come go. Make I tell you again, Muri, this matter I wan see both your family and her family, because hold on, no, for both family. Your family dey here. Which one be your family? Your mother come?
My auntie come.
No, I need your mother.
Hold
on, my dear. Yeah. Your mama dey here. Your wife mama dey here.
Yes.
So we go set another date. We go see you, come see your mama, come see her, come see her mama, come see your auntie. Auntie. That day, if the landlord wey dey talk wey be tatafo go come, we go hear the truth of the matter also from the landlord. That one wey you say you go saloon or for Ileya, you wey dey go work every day, you see Christmas, you see Ileya, you see Salah time, every family dey dey with their family. You understand? That work where you did work, no be government work, na your personal work. You go decide, you go choose, na your mind go tell you say no, this time today wey be Ileya, I suppose stay with my wife and the child. I no suppose go out again. Make me, you know, they see say person man dey carry wife and pikin, they come go where pikin children dey play, and the mama of the pikin, the papa of the pikin, all of them dey where this pikin now dey play, where all these children gather dey play. Ileya time, then they do like that. You know, they carry your wife now, make you and your wife with your pikin come go ShopRite, make you buy your pikin. That they say that day na Ileya, you go wear and co, your wife go wear and co with the pikin. Now that time also everybody suppose dey together dey rest. You sef you no suppose comot that day say you dey go, your oga tell you, your brother tell you, and you no comot o. No, man and woman, e get time where two of una go dey for house. E get time where two of una go comot from house go jollificate una sef. No be everything be money. I give her 1,000, 30,000, 31,000. I suffer to give her. Money no dey sex person. As you say, person dey fuck your wife, dey fuck your wife. Money no dey fuck woman. Na man dey fuck woman. So anytime you need say your wife dey do like that, you go now here we go tell you how you go suppose dey with your wife. Even if this girl dey waka korokere, now we go catch am. And that catching, we go disgrace her, say the whole world go know who she be. Hold on. No, that one no be catching. Hold on.
I'm telling you something.
I dey listen to you.
He begged me.
Muri.
Around 2 o'clock in midnight.
I never say you did lie.
He begged me. He begged me say, man, no vex. He begged me now.
Go out. Go out.
He begged me. See, God.
Muri, I say I say hold on.
I want to do something.
Hold on.
I
say hold on. Can you hold on? I say hold on. When I say hold on, hold on.
I'm hearing you.
Yeah, you have to listen. Can't be talking. What I'm saying is this. I say I never say you lie. Do you understand me? I say I never say you lie. But wait till they talk whether you they tell you say if your wife oga shey you dey okay sha. I know say your brain still dey normal. That way they talk no be today you dey. Na since 1 month na don dey talk you go salon, you no go salon. If you say landlord sleep with am, you go carry am come back again. And you come say another person don dey sleep with am. Now they tell you say the reason why your wife fit dey sleep around now, I say na you cause am. If wetin you dey talk now, I agree say na truth you dey talk, but I wan tell you the truth be say even if you go carry another woman, the woman go still do like that if you dey do like this.
That woman not do that.
Which woman?
The if I get
you don get
another
you don get another
no.
woman. You never know.
No. I want to if I get another woman, say well, you no go do like that. See, one day, madam, I see my wife. They receive call. Now woman, but see, if you reach our area safe, you don't spoil that place. You say go see. I want to tell you the truth.
I know you are selling me
You
the
say
truth.
if you see, I fit pay the Tyson. No go the place. The place where I dey live before. May I ask there, say so like 10 people. They will tell you the truth. Another place again. No go for the area self. The former place where I rent self-contained. No go ask there. They will tell you the truth. I'm not lying. See. Me, I no dey lie.
I say you know they lie. E be like say you know they hear my broken word they talk.
I dey hear the broken wey dey talk.
I say you know they lie. But the lie wey I say you know they lie. I say wetin make this woman dey do like that? As you dey talk now, you suppose you sef you get your own problem. But any woman hold on, wait.
No go court.
Which one be cut now?
If you say I give you the pikin, I go give you, but I will talk the
truth.
The thing wey dey for my mind I will give you. If let us court say the responsibility wey I go dey do. Buboye na 1.5 I get
give the pikin
a week. I will do it. This matter no go court. I will.
Wetin you wan go court for?
No. I will this girl is doing the thing where he dey fail me for mine. That myself. That one day, see, I will call the nurse. I get atosi for inside my fridge.
Wetin be atosi?
Disease. Yeah.
Wait. Mori, be like say hold on. You be like say you know they get wetin I dey talk.
I dey talk you wetin see.
I say
I get diseases for my fridge. I go nurse place. I spend like 10,000 naira. I ask that nurse say I go dey crash my fridge. Wetin happen?
Come say na disease.
The doctor say I get the thing for my wife place.
Wait, I wan ask you one question. You know say I don't tell am abi. I don't tell am your own fault. I wan hear from you now.
No go court o. I ready to see.
You wan go hold on. You wan go court say you no wan give her pikin. You wan go court say you no wan know who be the father of the pikin. Wetin you wan go court for?
This girl is lying.
Hold on. Even if you go court, court no go even give you this time I give you to talk. Now wetin you wan talk na 5 minutes. E don too much. Judge go don rule am. Na only here when you talk, you give you that time. I dey ask you now. You don hear everything wey you don talk, abi?
Atosi.
Tell me wetin reason why you wan collect the pikin from this man after you don dambaru the whole city as him dey talk. Because I just dey watch now. I don tell am wetin, because I don put am now for you to understand the reason why you dey do that thing. That's why I tell am say na you dey do. Wetin make you dey do am? Shey na because him dey come house abi?
I no do anything.
You no do anything.
That landlord me and that lady, I no do anything. I no do anything. And why I'm asking for my child is that girl is too small. That's why I said I won't collect her.
You wan collect am go where?
I won't collect her. May you stay with me.
Stay with you for where?
For my mother's place.
For your mother place. Where your mother dey?
Obalende.
Muri? You since that time where the woman this your wife dey waka where dem dey tell you dey tell him mama? No, people dey I wan attend to you dey tell him mama yes or no na wetin I wan hear. You dey tell the mama?
I tell you mama, see sometimes madam that AP they want to scatter my head.
You tell the mama wetin the mama tell you just go straight to the point.
Him mama tell me say the time wey he call her say he tell her say na him sister dey marry AB. You hear me?
That's why I say I wan see your mama. Him mama.
Yeah.
Now he go dey very important. As you don dey call him mama.
Put another date.
I will put another date.
Mo come.
Then that day, please, I wan see.
My brother say go come.
Yeah.
All my brother say go come. Put another date.
I'll put another date to here.
Put another date.
Then your landlord, your landlord where they say and they come inside.
That one no go come.
No, that one no go.
You know say
na this
you know
one
say
na where you dey live na.
You know say no go call am. See if you go back to that, me I go call him wife. They disgrace me there.
The which one?
That time self say I wan pack load. Come on there. I call her. Say please come. He say no.
Hey.
Now only me carry the load. And that guy when me and him come. Now that guy they drive motor
for you.
Call that guy. Call that guy.
Everything this boy say now.
He will tell you.
Everything this boy say now.
Me I lie.
A lie, abi?
Mom is a lie.
How is it a lie?
It's a lie.
Now you lie here. Excuse me. Don't make noise here. I say don't make noise, okay? Now you lie here. Say you say go outside if you no feel listening. If you no feel close your mouth. You tell me say you know they hear English, abi? You tell me from the beginning say you know they hear English. But you now English you speak now, be na Yoruba.
I just be trying.
But now English you speak now, be na Yoruba. Now English, abi? Everything is say na lie. Landlord toast you na lie. Landlord sleep with you na lie. AB come to your house na lie. AB no come to your house na lie. All the people wey dey that place. Hold on.
He's talking na lie. Na lie. May I talk the good work for tongue. Madam. He's talking. Na lie. You are asking him. He's talking. Na lie.
She carry nose come our house.
You say?
She give me drip. The belle. She.
I don't trust her now. Me and him.
I get belle.
We
Close your mouth. Close your mouth with this thing. Close your mouth with
that my pikin is small.
Sunday come and take this man out.
He's small that time.
I said,
my
close your mouth.
pikin is small. He get on another belle.
You say what?
I get belle.
Allow her to talk.
May I talk.
What rubbish is that?
Sorry, madam. Sorry.
Tell them this man make noise again. They should take him out. Yes, talk.
She said no one. Say I'm my pikin. Like that pikin is like 1 year and 6 months. She said she no want. She carry nose go our house. She give me drink. The belle she do this.
How many months?
Like 3 months.
3 months. Which
3
nurse
months.
be that one?
Now you know the nurse.
From which hospital?
No be hospital.
The nurse can't give you injection.
Yes.
The belle can't come out.
Yes.
That one na offense. That one na criminal.
Number two.
That one na bad.
Number
That one na
two.
offense.
I get belle. She
Yeah.
carry the nurse come again. Number three, I get belle. She carry the nurse come again.
Where is vaccine? This one a different case. What from habit?
Me, it's only one, but me and him, we talk agreement.
Where the agreement when I write? Call
We
this
talk-
person, tell them what I want to say.
Agreement say that pikin too small. He sef accept. He accept say make it go. Na him accept na.
Say make you abort the pikin.
Yeah.
How many you don't abort?
Na one.
How many na don't abort? I dey ask you how many pikin you don
Three.
cover?
Three.
3 pikin.
Yes.
All of them na how many months?
2 months, 3 months, 2 months, 3 months.
2 months, 3 months.
All in family, everybody know.
Now you collect 3 months, 3 months.
Yes.
I asked you before, you said because the pikin dey too small, that's why you abort that one.
No, I told him.
Mm.
It's him that told me say no work for him hand now. Say he no fit carry the pikin wey he never dey waka, make he put am for back.
Mm.
Make he get belle for inside. Make he put belle again. Say he no fit say if he don get work, say we fit do the thing wey we go do. Na him told me. Na him sef go find the nurse come o.
Go find the nurse, come from where?
Na him for area.
I never know the office when I dey. Who invite that nurse come there before you do 3 times abortion? Where the nurse come from?
I know.
Because I first asked you, you said I will not entertain any lies here. I'm just telling you. This one no be a sleep here and no sleep here. This one a different matter now. Now we dey talk. And I don ask you before why you go abort the baby. You say because you no trust am. I'm hearing 3 statements from you now. You first say now, say you no trust am. Na him make you abort the nurse, come abort the pikin. Have you called him? Yes. Yes. And you now talk again. Now. And they see as you dey shout since. Everything wey all of una dey talk dey for record here now. Na wetin you sign for. You can't talk again now. First, you agree say na you bring the nurse, but the reason be say you no trust am. So you no go want make you born the pikin. Hold on, I go revise your statement for you now. The second one be say you can't talk again now. Say you bring the nurse come comot the pikin because na agreement. 2 of na agree say make you comot the belle. Why you can't change again now? Say na him bring the nurse. Here we will not entertain lies.
Yeah,
Only truth can save you
from this office today. So you must tell us the truth and nothing but the truth. The lie now that is coming in now will make me come involve police for investigate you, two of you more. So tell us the truth. How did you call nurse to inject? Wetin be an agreement before you bring nurse to call inject and comot the 3 months belle?
See, that time. That area we dey live before. That landlord he call me by himself. Say so and so. So that landlord he call me. The
new landlord. I dey hear you.
Say na every man dey come inside my room. Na every man dey come inside my room. Say the person sef, if say wey dem no dey come that place again, still no, still dem dey come there.
I no understand.
Me and I no dey come house for evening time. That time. But landlord come call my brother wey dey that im second house, come tell me say, come tell my brother say na different man.
So, hello, how you doing? As the man called you, okay, we need your attention in our office. Yes. All right. I can hear you.
Say na different man dey come that place. For that my brother come call me. Say I get friend for
the question I ask you now, you are talking different thing. The landlord, the reason why you say make nurse come about the pikin, the landlord make you feel say your wife no they sleep with men up and down.
No,
wetin you talk?
See, na the
the landlord bring the nurse.
No.
Who bring the nurse?
The person wey introduce the nurse to me. Na him.
How you carry introduce the nurse to you?
From that the house wey I dey live before. Na him introduce that nurse to me. Say that nurse e good. Say that pikin wey we born, say e too small.
I I say the wetin you tell me before now I wan hear na be the truth. The truth now I wan hear from you. This one wey you dey talk now no be truth o. And as you don talk now when you no tell me truth, when lie don dey enter, I go involve police. The truth na you go tell me. You tell me say you bring nurse come comot the belle because you no trust am. Na wetin you talk wey everybody hear. Then is it because you no trust am or because the pikin too small? Na wetin I wan hear. Wetin be the reason wey you bring nurse come comot the belle? Na because you no trust am abi because the pikin wey you born before dey small?
Because of the pikin is small.
Okay.
But I told her, say, told me say she don't get. I say say thank God. One day tell me say that time anything one tell me say you wan go work, say that pikin you small.
Na wetin make una comot the belle be that? Okay, the second one, wetin make you comot that second one? Na because you no trust am, the pikin. You say na comot 3 now. The second one, wetin happen?
Titiri. No.
You know say when you lie, if I call police, you go use your mouth talk the truth there. How many belle you don comot?
3.
3.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
How old is your baby now?
3 years.
4 years.
Yes, but now 3 years.
3 years.
3 years and 3 months. Yeah. Now.
Now.
Okay, 3 years and 3 months. Na be the baby now. How many months the baby dey when you get the first belle?
1 year.
1 year. Na when I come comot. How many years the baby come dey when you
1 year
comot
and
the
6
second
months.
one?
1 year and 6 months.
1
year and 6 months.
1 year and 6 months. Now you come get second belle.
Yes.
How many months that belle dey that time?
Like 2 months.
2 months.
I called my mother. I told her.
So you get the belle when, if you comot the belle when your baby was 1 year and 2 months.
Yes. No, 1 year and 6 months. Now be my child.
That time the belle be 2 months.
Yes, 2 months.
Meaning the belle the pikin don be 1 year 5 months when you get the belle.
No, 1 year and 6 months.
1 year and 6 months. Then which month you come comot the belle? When the belle don be 2 months.
2 months.
Meaning you get the belle when your pikin be 1 year and 5 months.
Oh yes.
1 year and 5 months.
Yes.
So when you come be 1 year and 6 months, the belle don be 2 months.
Yes.
You come abort am.
Yes.
The third one, how many years your pikin come be?
2 months. 2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
You come comot am again. Wetin make you come comot that one?
She said she no want. She no want baby. She no ready.
I no ready
If I
for
say
baby.
no, she will use to beat me. She used to beat me. She beat me, carry me go hospital, treat me.
Which hospital na don go?
Tell him the hospital gangan.
Which
Mo
hospital?
go there.
Which hospital?
She will buy medicine
Use here.
for me.
Which hospital na go? You just talk am now say you beat you carry you go hospital.
For
Which
that belle, I no go hospital. She carry the nurse go our house. The time
For
she
the
was
3
she
belle?
beat me. Yes.
Okay.
She na himself know the chemist. I will just told me that I'll use so thing like this. So she go buy am come. She use me all my face like this. this thing.
But you say na go hospital before you come change
Mo go
now
there
say you dey buy something
hospital
come.
gangan. Mo go
Why
that
you
place.
first
No,
say na dey go hospital?
Mo go there
Tell me,
hospital.
I want to say. I want
Eh,
to say she used to
which
buy
tell me,
medicine for
Come,
me.
I don tell you say
Now you buy am, I no follow am.
Me,
but you
Na
first
you
of
buy
all
am.
say
Buy
na
something
go
for-
hospital.
I beat you. Me, man.
You say,
No.
Me, I beat you.
and why you cause? Do you know you are not supposed to be making this kind of noise here, Muri? How many times he don beat you? Who you can't tell say he beat you?
I tell my brother. I tell my mommy.
That he beat you?
Yes.
Which year?
Before I come out to last month,
Mm.
the beating is getting too much.
Make I see the mark he give you for your body.
No, see,
Mm.
if you invite our street that man wey she say na God,
Mm.
that man na him wife.
Mm.
She told me may I use something like this for my this place. If she give me bunch like this for this thing, go dey pay me on my face. That woman go say okay, may I use hot water and put towel, press am. May no worry me too much. But for the beating, everybody know she used to beat me.
Okay, but for you to even lie, say he take you go hospital.
No, mama, that one na mistake. I said I want to say she used to buy medicine.
Buy medicine and go hospital. There be the same language.
No, ma. She used to buy medicine come for me.
Mm.
I know. She used to buy medicine come house for me. Even our pikin gone, if she used to sick, na him go buy medicine come house. Anything wey I need.
This matter now, this na matter no go end today. This your waka waka when Muri don dey
Mo
complain.
come back, madam.
We go
Ma call my
investigate am.
family.
I say
My
don't
brother.
disturb me. And please
Don't
stop
vex,
disturbing me.
Don't vex. Ma call my family and my brother. Mo come here. Mo come together.
Listen,
Yeah.
this matter no go end
Yeah, put it to.
today. Because any woman where you don't get to begin dey para the whole city up and down, everything where this man dey talk, you go see say e be like say make he carry bottle dey chook person because of the annoyance
Madam,
of wetin you do.
please.
Sit down.
See him mouth in nose. I tell am, don't do this thing. Now Oscar dey do am. You follow me fight for him
Sit
inside
down.
house. He head like Oscar Ashewo. He's open. Go Baba head. Before it no Baba head o. He don't get the place where he dey sleep gangan. He dey sleep in Oga house. Dey sleep Abe house.
As
Dey
na
Abe house.
since
He
he comot
dey sleep.
na since he comot from your house na him
Yes.
he open nose abi.
Eh?
Na since he comot from your house he open nose.
No.
Which
That
time he
time.
open nose? Which time he open nose?
That time he dey for my house. He no tell me.
He go open nose.
Go open nose.
Okay,
Abe house dey sleep.
sit down.
Dey
It's
sleep
okay.
all by and that.
You
Na
come
the person
make you
I go
carry
give
this
the
man go
pikin.
outside first. Go outside first.
No vex.
Since you not let me talk,
No
you have
vex,
to
no
go
vex,
outside.
no vex.
You have to
Yeah.
go outside because I don't tolerate all this
Sorry,
kind
sorry.
of noise. You won't come here now say you won't come carry pikin wey be say you no see the name wey you carry put for hand like person wey
No,
wan go
my
for as
work.
if na
My work.
which one be na your work.
Na practice I do. Na my work.
Okay,
My
you dey do
hairdresser
the-
and makeup and nails. Na him I dey do.
na your hand to carry do practice like this. If your husband come say no dey do this kind of
I
thing,
know
say
they
na
do
my
am
own.
before.
You no dey
I
accept.
know they do.
I say don talk oga.
No dey accept me.
That is number one. You see say as e dey talk now because you don get men up and down you no let am talk. He talk why you tell am now say ode.
No.
You sef see am.
Before
You tell am say ode
You
abi
hear.
She
for
said
man
you
wey
go
put
she
for your
your
hand
friend.
na you dey
You
tell
hear.
am
You
ode.
hear.
Na the
She
people
your
wey no
friend.
be ode na you dey waka the whole city.
You
Dey
hear my
sleep
own.
up and down.
The nurse wey he treat me.
I say
I get
You get,
virus. The nurse go come here.
hold
Go
on.
come here that day.
You stay the plot of this office, you tell a man where put you for house, where you born for, you dey call and say ode. That is to show that your mama no train you well. You wan carry the pikin go where? Make you go teach the pikin how to do this yeye waka wey dey waka up and down. If you are a woman wey get respect, if man keep you for 1 year, you go stay that place. I have tried to bring word out of his mouth. No be say your husband no dey stay for house, na him make you every man go come dey sleep with you, including landlord. Man say make you no open nose. Wetin make you go open nose? Wetin dey open nose na your work. Your nose also na your work. Remove cap, make I see your
No, I just do this one.
Na your work.
See am.
Na dredge.
Na your work.
Woman, when you get responsible,
I no do am before.
responsible for
I
us.
just do this one. I no do am before.
If they tell me tete say he wan baba us, na me no agree. But
Sit down.
I don free am
Sit
now.
down.
Free am. Don free am for outside. On oga sef, he do Oscar for head. In oga sister sef, he
It's
do
okay.
he do the TK for head.
It's alright.
Eh?
So the matter, that one where they say they look for pikin, you won't carry the pikin. This one where the man say you don't jabrakata the whole Lagos with different men. We go first of all know whether the pikin are for him own. And being another person can't give you belle where you carry can't give her. Maybe you won't carry the pikin and go give who get her. So now next time, please put that phone on silent. Now next time when we go give now, when I go come, now go prepare. We'll carry you and the pikin. We'll come with the pikin. No, we'll carry and the pikin go do test. Make you know whether the pikin are your own. No, I been a landlord get am. I been another person get am. So before we know whether you won't carry pikin go give person, I been a papa be this. We go first of all make that one clear first. So everybody who you dey stay with, they talk to you, they insult you. Even if you dey insult your husband for house, they slap am. No be for public where you say you be ode. You not say you be ode. That means say you no get respect. If you get respect for this office, you for no even insult am first. You go wait make una comot first before you begin dey show yourself. So if you wan carry pikin, you have to suppose know wetin you dey do. Now na hairdressing you dey learn, in dey work. Pikin go dey with person wey pikin go grow up come get better sense. Pikin go grow up with person wey get money to put the boy for school or the girl for school, or feed the pikin wey pikin no go suffer. So no be this kind of lifestyle now where you wan live now, you come woman right, say make we give you pikin. So this coming case where we wan put now, you go come with your mama, you go come with your own mama, you go come with your own auntie, you go come with the new landlord where come dey tell am say you men dey come in house, dey come in house, dey come in house. You go tell us the reason why you dey carry man dey come in house when he go work. Because na the work he dey carry feed you. Man no go stay for house. If na dey for house, two of na dey sleep each other every time. When you wan get money, carry feed you, carry be the come. I don say make you close your mouth. Abi be like say you get brain problem.
No, no problem.
Na person wey don dey mad small na him dey behave like this. You dey okay? Abi make I carry you go test you.
No.
Then you no go talk again.
Yeah, I do okay.
So the landlord wey say you dey carry man come house every day, we wan see the landlord. So that if na you dey like, and before that time we go send people go down na area, they go check how whether na wakadugbe you dey build for that place, abi na your husband come lie here. Dem go investigate two of una for that area. We go know which among you dey lie. We go know. So and the nurse wey go abort the baby, na go bring the nurse.
Go come.
You hear me?
Go come.
Because if na no bring the nurse, that day I go arrest 2 of una.
Go come.
The nurse
That
wey
is
come
good.
house, whether na 1 time, abi na 2 times, abi na 3 times, so come dey for house, dey comot pikin for una house. Na go tell the nurse to come. Address or na go give us the address, then go serve the nurse later. Him go come. Come tell us how he carry come na house, come dey comot belle.
Go come. Awa.
That day, na go carry na interpreter by person wey dey hear English very well. No be person wey go say, when they say talk like, go say shekpe. Tell the person wey dey hear Yoruba, wey dey hear English, wey go come interpret for you and him and your mama. Na go bring the person that day. So na interpreter go dey here so that I no go bite my tongue, because I dey get headache na for this matter wey I dey talk. Na go bring interpreter come here. So we go set next week Thursday for them, 10 o'clock. Muri, you go bring your mama, you go bring your brother, you go come bring landlord, and you bring that nurse. Na 4 people wey I dey expect from you. You go come bring your auntie and your mama. Your mama dey hear English, na Yoruba. So that day na go buy enough data for us, because the 1 hour when we wan carry talk English, when we wan carry talk English and Yoruba. So that day na go buy credit wey we go load, where go.
I will buy it for you.
And so you put me for here, don't bite my tongue, wahala. All of una wey dey claim say make I allow them to speak Yoruba, cause say that here dey interpret that Yoruba. Which kind wahala be that one? All right, thank you very much, viewers, for being with us. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel on Access to Justice TV and follow us on our Facebook page on Human Rights Defender and Access to Justice Advocate Center. For more useful information, can visit our website on www.hldac.org.ng. Thank you for being with us. And I don't hear case. Talk to you later and be with us in a moment.